Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be possibly a repair video or how to repair video on a Zareba 75 mile. There's a red snapper, blitzer, bulldozer, American Farm Works variation of this type of unit, but this is a particular one's a 75 mile Zareba. We're going to go through it and take a look at it here for them and see if we can get this figured out. There's our information right there. So if you want to send one to us or whatever, but see if we can help you out. Okay, the note says no voltage at output, so let's see if it even comes on and clicks. Okay, it doesn't even click, so I was hoping it maybe click, but no output, then we know it was be a transformer, but since it doesn't click at all, it could be anything. So let's get the screws out of this thing and see what we're working with. So I don't have my drill here to pull these out a little quicker, but we'll just use this little ratcheting thing and pull the 4 screws out. Back cover should pull right off. There you go. That's all it's in there. It has a funky smell to it. Alright, let's the 2 things that will keep it from coming on: board or the input side of the transformer. So we'll check the input side first. There's no polarity. We're going to go ohms, and it should be 0 to 1 ohm. Come on. Alright, see, it reads meg ohms open, so the board may be charged up, but it's not being able to discharge to the transformer, so maybe it's just a transformer. So let me go see if I've got one first. Alright, there's a new transformer, so we'll put that in. So now this board's probably got a charge built on, a big old capacitor that's probably holding a big ass charge. If the board's good, then it's not able to discharge to this transformer. So we're going to pull the transformer out of here in just a second. Gonna find a nose here. So I'm gonna try to be careful not touch too much of that board. Transformer. I'll check it one more time, make sure that maybe that board was having some interference reading out, but the meter's good, so we'll just ohm across it. See, it's in the meg ohm range on my meter, or open, so that's no good. It won't matter what the other side reads because if we can't pull through it, it doesn't matter. Now this thing freaking might pop when I put this on there. I don't know. It didn't pop, so I don't. Now, if this doesn't fix it, they've got an issue with the board here. Okay, let's go ahead and plug these wires back on, because this goes to work and we'll be done. If it doesn't, it's got a bad board in the thing. Okay, let's plug her in, see what happens. There it goes. Clicking. So the transformer primaries was bad, and so the board was building up all the charge but couldn't discharge it because that winding on the primary side was bad, burned open or whatever. See, we're getting a little over 8,000 volts out of it. All right, so this one's done. So we're gonna put this thing back down in here. Put the screws back in it. the light bulb on there is built into the transformer. Kind of see it flashing there now. See, works pretty good. Alright, so we'll call the customer up, get this one boxed up, shipped out. I'm sure they'll fix it. It's a pretty cheap fix for this. I think this is about $150 charger, give or take. So pretty cheap repair on it. So if you got a fence charger needs to be worked on, we'll definitely take a look at it for you. There's our information right there. Fencerfixer.com is our site. We also work in cattle scales and low bars for mostly Gallagher's, but we work on some other brands too. Cattle Scale Repair is a website for that. But we're just a mom and pop shop working these fence chargers for people. We get free quotes and 18-month warranties on the repairs that we do. And hopefully this helps you out. So if you got a question or something, get a hold of us. You want to send something to us, send it on, and we'll work on it for you. Work on all ages and brands of these things. Until next time, see you later.